Hello, my name is Josh Evilsizor. Today we're going to talk about how to create a custom Reddit site search Google Chrome custom search engine. There might be an extra custom in there. Anyways, I've done like 2 videos in this already, and the minute I did that, there was an article that came out that talked about how Google search is dying and how you should be searching Reddit to get better results. And we'll talk about that in just a second. These are the 2 previous videos that I made. Take a look at those if you've not seen this already. Those might help add context or additional speed cues. Here's the article in question, and here is the article in question, and here is the gist. When you search Google, you get a lot of ads these days. And so a way to kind of subvert that is to do a site search. Let me go ahead and move my face out of the way here. Site:/reddit.com. So you could type all that out, or you could just create a custom search engine, which is what we're going to do right now. We're going to improve our search results using a Reddit custom search engine, and you can read all the other stuff in the title of the YouTube video, but I'm not going to talk about that here and now. Navigate to Chrome settings. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to Chrome settings. Here we are. We go to search engine, manage search engine, and then we go down to site search, and then we add. So we're going to add a new site search, which is going to be Reddit. So let's go ahead and continue following the instructions. That's where we went to add a Reddit site search engine. So add, this is where we're at. Open Reddit and search any term. So I'm going to go ahead and open Reddit and search any term. I'm not going to hit the any key. Homer Simpson bots is what we're going to search just for fun. There it is. I'm going to hit enter. There's my search results. I'm going to grab the URL. It's highlighted. Ctrl+C. Grabs the URL. I'm going to bring it over to the add a search engine, and I'm going to give the search engine a name, Reddit. The shortcut r/, because why not? URL. Here we go. And the instructions tell us, or they remind us, because this right here is not super clear all the time, to examine the URL and find the keyword either search or query, and then look for the equal sign and replace everything after it with % and s. And that's what we're going to do. There's the equal sign, replace it with % and s, hit add, and where's our search engine? I have so many of them, we have additional sites that we need to look for, and there we go. There's Reddit, and there's our search engine. This is our keyword, and we'll come on over here, and how to employ this. We're going to new tab, Ctrl+T, enter our keyword, and use the space or the tab button, depending on how you set up your custom site search parameters. Type in your search term and hit enter. So here we go, Ctrl+T, r/spacebar, bots, enter, and the next thing we're going to see is the results on Reddit as if we were to have just searched it for bots. Then of course you can look for comments, communities, and people within those results, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. What did I forget to tell you? Nothing. Combat speed. If you want to see it again, hit rewind and watch it again, and then crank up the speed if you want to. What I do want to remind you of is if this video was helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button, and if you got any questions, thoughts, or a better way, please leave those in the comments. Remember, in the description, you can always find this outline, so everything I've showed you here, all the words and helpful links, how to reach me online, and that's it. Have a great day.